As you can see here, the structural components are sound. It was our innovative solutions and expertise that drove the successful completion of this dam. How the world's largest hydroelectric dam was built, a testament to modern engineering excellence, from initial surveys to final commissioning.
Elevation confirmed at point B.
Copy that. Moving the excavator in now.
Check the flow rate against the tablet specs.
Consistency looks good, adhering to seismic protocols.
Confirmed. Proceeding with the pour.
Position the next beam on level 4.
Ensure the alignment is precise.
Confirmed. Lowering now. Secure the connection. The digital overlay confirms precision alignment on Sector 4. Verified.
Lift the next segment into position.
The structural integrity models confirm high-strength material integration is successful. Precision protocols are maintained. We are on track.
SCADA systems initializing. Run the calibration sequence on the north sensor array.
Sequence initiated. Reading stable within 0.05 tolerance.
Crane operator, swing load to the north quadrant.
Roger that. Watch your spacing down there.
Drone deploying for aerial safety sweep.
Utilizing advanced engineering equipment, we implement precise construction protocols, ensuring the precision surveying confirms we are meeting all engineering standards for the weatherproofing installation.
Excellent.
These vibration readings are within the seismic threshold.
Yes, the installation passes inspection protocols. Finalizing the report now. The sensor data confirms structural integrity on the east section.
Performance validation checks out. We are cleared for final approval.
According to the advanced survey data, this is the optimal placement for the support structure.
Agreed. The environmental impact report confirms that assessment.
The bedrock fracture looks consistent with the model.
Agreed. Sequence 3 is clear to proceed.
Ensure the reinforcement installation is precise according to these protocols.
Confirmed. Ready the vibration equipment for the concrete deployment.
Beam is set. Roger that. Hitting the bolts now. Bolt tension on the north side.
Confirmed. Total station reading is green.
Proceeding with final placement.
The calculations confirm structural integrity. Initiate the high-strength material stress test sequence. Protocols are a go for the bridge deployment.
Seismic indicators spiking in Sector Gamma. Initiate safety override protocols now.
Activating dampeners. Stabilization sequence.
Advanced engineering equipment and precision surveying protocols are utilized to erect the weatherproofing system for this mega infrastructure project. Reviewing the schematics now. Ensure the pressure equalization sequence is initiated as planned.
Confirmed. Activating the system now according to protocol.
Performance validation confirms long-term durability metrics are met. Agreed. The precise construction protocols are effective.
Regulatory compliance metrics are green across the board. TBM initiation sequence authorized.
Acknowledged. Beginning advance on schedule.
Data confirms the batch mix is optimal.
Relay that to the pumps. Keep the pressure consistent with protocol specifications.
All right, team. Slow descent. Watching Sector 7.
Reading stable on the primary alignment grid. Green status confirmed.
Structural integrity validated.
Thumbs up.
Secure the bolts. All right, bring it up 20 feet. Maintain stability. Copy that. Moving the load up. Steady as she goes.
Measurement verification is complete. Alignment optimized.
Adjustments locked.
Protocols followed.
Structural integrity confirmed. Project success metrics met.
The high-strength material integration requires precise load-bearing calculations.
This confirms the structural integrity.
Implementing precise construction protocols and utilizing advanced engineering equipment ensures the long-term reliability of this infrastructure.
Safety parameters are green across the board. Proceed with the lift.
Acknowledged. Crane engaging.
Alignment confirmed on unit integration. Proceeding with connection sequence protocols.
Copy that. Monitoring system levels now.
The transformer is online. Proceeding with the final calibration sequence.
Reading stable voltage. The installation is successful.
Performance metrics are stabilizing across the board.
Confirmation received. Durability validation successful. Project protocols achieved.
We need to verify the geological survey data against the current excavation depth.
I'll cross-reference the impact assessment reports immediately.
Erecting the batching plant requires precise coordination, adhering strictly to civil engineering and sustainability protocols.
Okay, hold tension. Bring the west side down 2 inches. Copy that. Coming down slow. Watching the alignment.
From geotechnical analysis to the deployment of heavy machinery, precision construction protocols ensure project success.
Verify angle 7 degrees. Hold position. Holding steady. Confirming alignment on the total station. Lowering sequence initiated. Maintain safety clearance.
Utilizing advanced engineering equipment, we integrate high-strength materials based on precise load-bearing calculations, ensuring total compliance. Calibration confirmed. Resilience protocols are active.
Acknowledged. Direct the crane operator to proceed with the placement.
Safety parameters are green. Proceeding with installation. Maintaining green building standards.
From initial design to final installation, our integrated technology ensures quality control and precision across the entire project lifecycle.
Utilizing advanced engineering equipment and precision surveying instruments, we ensure seismic safety compliance.
All right, guide the unit into position on the northwest truss.
Confirmed. Clearance looks good based on the schematics.
Hold steady on the alignment. Watch that clearance.
The corrosion resistance evaluation is complete. All metrics are green for performance validation.
Noted. Finalize the data log. We have project success.
We need confirmation on the segment alignment before the final set.
Survey confirms green light on grid coordinates. Lower away.
The batching sequence must align precisely with the installation schedule.
We've secured the rear cages. Sensors confirm alignment. Vertical stabilization is green.
Holding position. Bringing it down slow.
Locking sequence initiated. Structural integrity confirmed.
The measurements confirm precision alignment.
Excellent. Protocols achieved.
Students. Implementing precise construction protocols, we utilize advanced engineering equipment for high-strength material testing.
Crane 3, lift on my mark.
Roger, lifting now. Watch the east side clearance.
Clear on east side, hold steady.
We implement precise construction protocols, utilizing advanced equipment and real-time monitoring to maintain environmental sustainability and safety.
Laser scan confirms weld integrity. Data matches precise protocol standards. Approved for installation. Noted. Proceed as planned.
All right, team, lowering the unit now. Keep clear of the drop zone. Confirm clear on the east side. Swinging steady, almost there. Watch your hands.
Guide it down slowly. Watch the clearance.
Clear.
Check the sensor array on the east pylon. Readings stable. Validating performance metrics now. Infrastructure longevity standards confirmed. Monitor the stress levels on the bridge supports.
Readings are stable. All systems showing green. Tower 2. Confirm reinforcement cage alignment.
Alignment confirmed. Ready for concrete batch.
Initiating pour sequence now.
All right, bring it down 20 centimeters.
Holding steady on the west side.
Confirmed alignment on column 4. Looks good. The real-time sensor data confirms ground stability in sector gamma.
Lowering the section now. Steady, steady. A little to the right. Right there, hold it.
Load-bearing calculations confirmed.
Aligning guidance system now. Bring it down slowly.
Confirmed. Structural integrity at 98%.
installation and calibration of specialized equipment ensures megaproject safety requirements are met throughout the development operations. To run conversation. Implementing precise construction protocols ensures This schematic confirms the structural integrity.
The robotic scan, the leading operation engineering special.
Checking the elevation on sector 3.
Reading confirmed. Weatherproofing alignment is critical.
Secure that membrane now.
Initiate the Level 2 diagnostic sequence on the switchgear.
Sequence initiated. Power levels stabilizing within seismic parameters.
The data confirms the precise alignment of this segment.
Final inspection passed. Structural integrity is confirmed.
The geological survey results align with the engineering plans. Ensure the environmental team has the latest data for the implementing precise construction protocols for bedrock preparation, utilizing advanced engineering equipment ensures long-term reliability standards are met.
All right, bring it down slow. Hold the left side steady. Almost there, easy now.
Guide it down slowly now, watch the clearance.
Copy that, steady descent.
South side of line, contact in 3, 2, 1. Deploy heavy excavator 3 to sector 4 gamma.
Acknowledged. Deploying now. Ensure compliance checks are green.
Checks confirmed, proceeding with excavation protocols. Crane, lower 5 centimeters.
Structure settling on base plate. Verifying tension bolts now.
Aligning sequence initiated. Confirming stabilization protocols.
Protocols confirmed. Proceeding with final descent.
Locking sequence engaged. Seismic safety compliance confirmed in this sector. Data looks stable.
The drone inspection confirms installation protocols are met.
Implementing advanced fabrication technology ensures precise construction protocols and structural integrity, guaranteeing success in mega infrastructure development.
Alignment check on Module B.
Tolerance is good. Initiating final descent.
Confirmed locked status.
We implement precise construction protocols, deploying advanced engineering equipment to ensure quality and compliance across all operations.
See this detail on the plan. We need absolute precision on this section of the foundation.
I agree. Tell the bull to operate immediately.
Dispatch, Mixer 7 is loaded and outbound.
Copy that. Proceeding with reinforcement cage inspection. Ensure all standards are met.
All right, bring it down slow. Watch the alignment. Coming down steady. Looks good. Keep going.
We need to adjust the angle slightly. Confirming structural integrity now. Alignment verified. Proceed with securing the beam.
The load-bearing calculations confirm the feasibility of the T-girder integration at this nexus.
Ensure the alignment confirmed. Proceeding with installation protocols.
Copy that.
Initiating calibration sequence now.
Utilizing advanced surveying equipment and real-time drone monitoring, our teams ensure millimeter precision across all structural components.
The positioning scan is complete. We have green status across all checkpoints.
Copy that. I'm finalizing the documentation now for immediate approval.
Make sure the membrane overlap is exactly per spec.
Instrument confirms alignment on Sector 4.
Drone scan shows we are clear for the next pour.
Acoustic levels are confirmed within environmental compliance thresholds.
Copy that.
Uploading the data now.
Through precise construction protocols and advanced equipment, we validate the long-term durability of this mega.
Advanced engineering equipment is utilized for precise geological surveying and environmental impact assessment, ensuring strict seismic safety compliance.
We need to optimize the excavation flow here.
Agreed. Ensure the bedrock preparation adheres strictly to protocol for structural integrity.
Alright team, monitor levels closely. We need absolute precision on this beam set.
Confirmed. Alignment is holding steady, lowering slowly now.
All structural testing protocols are verified. System integrity confirmed.
Load capacity passed. It meets exception.
This is a great day for our nation.
The Project Zenith high-speed line is now open.
We've got an incident on the west quadrant. Dispatching ground teams now. Rerouting traffic flow PDQ until resolved. This strategic investment creates a powerful multiplier effect, transforming local economies through job creation.
Demonstrating responsible megaproject development, we've integrated renewable energy and ecosystem protection to significantly reduce the carbon footprint. Legacy documentation capturing engineering innovations, construction records broken, and knowledge transferred to future projects globally.
An enduring legacy of human engineering achievement. The Three Gorges Dam stands as a monument.